Welcome. In this video, I will show you how to check the software version of your DREAME TV. To check the software version, you're gonna have to press the gear button on your remote control, then open all settings, and after that, scroll down to System. In System menu, let's select About, and in About, we can update software by selecting System Update. But to check the software version, we're gonna have to scroll down to software version option, and here we'll be able to check the date of release of the software version that is installed on this TV. And in my case, it's November 25 November 25 of 2025. And that's it. That's how you check the software version on your TV. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, please consider subscribing to our channel. Leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.